So I was redeploying a project on GitHub, and this is the error I was faced with. Let's go and fix this. So we go back to our code editor where our codes are located, and we go to where the codes are. So I'm changing the directory to where the actual codes are. And now let's go through our files. So when we come to our package.json file, we realize that we are using an older version of Next.js. So we can see our version is 15.3.5. And then the React 2 is 19.0.0. So we want to upgrade all these so that our codes can redeploy successfully. Now we are going to input these codes in our terminal. The codes will be left in the description. When you're done, you click enter. You press enter. And then it does its magic. Now it's done. So we are going to git bash to re-push the codes that we sent earlier on, because we've added some new changes. We've upgraded our Next.js, so we are pushing it again. Now let's push. After we are done, we'll go back to our GitHub and check it. So this is showing the old update I did. Let me refresh it. Okay. And now the deployment has completed. Let's check the details. It's working now. So the reason was because we were using an older version and we had to upgrade to the newer version. Thank you.